Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones so far. All these three trading bullish and in fact but just close to the resistance level. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session, which position we should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First let's have a look at gold. Gold right now trading at 1782. Now look at this, it consolidated here on the hourly charts and then tried to break out. Remember, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence getting the pullback again. See, at the same time one must be cautious of 1770. Only short entry is below 1770. I told you in the morning also, in my morning analysis, that one can remain long with the stop loss at 1770 and one can expect it to rise. Be watchful of 1784, 1785. Precisely it has achieved. Now trying to consolidate a bit. Directional movement has crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic is on the overbought side now. MACD has also crossed over, trading bullish. Also, if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, another thing to observe is it has seen a breakout taking the support from 1780. It is trying to rise now. Once it draws below 1780 again, you may see it getting till towards 1778. That point at 1778 you can go short, then one can expect it to come back till towards 1773 and it may give you a very strong swing. So be watchful of 1780 and 1773. Till the time it trades above 1780, one can expect it to achieve further highs. But look at this. If you look at the 2-hour charts, it is precisely almost at the highs of this channel and hence you have to be watchful of 1785. Directional movement has crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic near to top. MACD is on the verge of a convergence and crossover for a bullish move. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards here. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, this is the third green candle. But look at the previous candle here. Look at the previous candle. With a flat top out there, a strong tail and a flat top, and this candle started at the top almost with a flat bottom. So yes, 1780 levels now going to give it a very strong support for gold, and below 1780, yes, it can break for 1778, 76 and then it may break for 1773 levels. So below 1780 we may see a good drop. Be watchful of 1778 and below that, yes, for the day anyways it is going to get the support at 1770 and only if it trades below 1770 you can consider that as bearish. Also see, it has seen a high, it may see a low and close the candle at around 1780 levels. So yes, be cautious with the swings. Only long entry is beyond 1784 levels, 85 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is trying to converge crossover. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts here. See, after the consolidation, a strong breakout candle, and this with the previous candle with the flat head, and this is the flat bottom. Probably we may see it giving the same rise, 1775 to 82. So from 1780 to 1790 levels can be seen. Probably it may try to come back till towards 1788-90 zone before looking forward to a drop. So be cautious of these levels. I think till the time it trades beyond 1782, above 1782, we can expect it to rise a bit, but be watchful of 1784-85 and then 1788-90 levels. Directional movement is near to, stochastic is near to overbought. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Right now it is bearish. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, higher lows are getting created. This time itself it is formed a bottom and tried to reverse from here, and that is why, see, today morning I told you only short entry is below 1770 and one can remain long till the time it trades above 1770. Now it is trying to look forward to another bullish move. Probably we may see it hitting 1790 levels, 1788-90 zone, but for timing you have to be cautious of 1780 and beyond 1790 you can expect a stronger bullish move again. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is in trading in green and it is looking forward to convert, but it is still trading bullish right now. And RSI, you can see here, it is looking upwards. Considering this, yes, as I said, below 1780 you can try to get or try to grab maybe couple of dollars or maybe $4 move. Maybe it can go till towards 1788 and 1778 and 1776 levels, and a bounce back from there can be expected. See, this is a 3-hour candle and it is on the 3-hour charts, it may try to form a doji as 1784 as the high, 1776 as the low and probably close the candle at 1780, and then next candle will again start the bullish move, taking it till towards 1790 levels. So yes, as I said, any short entry is below 1770. Till the time it is above 1770, you can again take a long entry. And as I said, first in the current candle, I look for 1780. Yes, you can initiate a short entry there, but be cautious. It will again try to rise, as it is still bullish till the time it trades above 1770. I'll not consider that as bearish. Once it drops below 1770, only that is the point where one can go short. And yes, with the stop loss at 1770, probably we can see a rise. But yes, you right now see it is at high, so I will not recommend a long entry at this point position, possibly because 1784-85 zone is the resistance, then 1788-1890 zone is the next resistance zone, and only if it trades above 1790 there is going to be bullishness. So you can take your long entries at around lower levels, maybe 72-73 levels. You can take a long entry so that you can maximize the profit, else avoid. And those who have taken the position in the morning, one must keep trading with the stop loss at 1770. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, and take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 was trading at the top of the Bollinger Band. In fact, the previous candle was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and now it is trying to drop a little. Remember, it is trying to form a tail for the previous, for the next 4-hour candle, that is the current candle. So yes, once you see it trading beyond 13310, you can go long. Beyond 13310, stay long, and then you can expect almost similar size of candle, which is almost of 70 points. So you can expect it to hit 13350 the first target, and then 13380 or 13400 as the next target. Till the time it trades above 13250, one can remain long. That is the call. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD white divergent bullish. RSI is near to top. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, be aware that yes, this is the zone 13250, which I'll be looking forward to. This is a very strong support, and only if it breaks below 13250, you can go short, but then 13220 and 200 will come into picture. And till the time, see this, the rise here on the 2-hour charts, and if it continues to act bullish, we can expect it to achieve the highs at 13400 500 levels. 13400. So yes, you can take a long entry there at 13310. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the 2-hour charts. MACD has just crossed over on the 2-hour charts. The RSI is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, similar is the observation. See what it is trying to do. It is trying to create a tail, and until and unless it breaks below this zone, that is 13250, I will not recommend you to go short. Below that, 13220 and 13200 levels is the support, and below that we can see a stronger drop. Now look, it is trying to form a tail, but look at the previous candle. The body size has diminished here, and it is trading near to the resistance zone at 13300. Remember, 13300 is a very strong resistance. So yes, you can go long at 13310. Beyond that, you can expect 13350, and then beyond that, further rise can be expected. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. That is a concerning point, because probably this is overbought, and hence a red candle can be expected. The direction, the MACD is still bearish. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see it has seen 3 green candles, and it is trying to trade in this. So once it draws below 13250, that is a very good level to stay short, and then below 13250 you can expect 13220 200, and then 13180. Below 13180 150 should be seen, and then below that you can expect a strong crash. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought here, but it is lagging behind, and hence it may take 1 or 2 candles for it to converge crossover for a sell entry. MACD is still in the sell side. RSI is comfortable there. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at this. See, the weekend candle was almost of a smaller body size. It has created a flat, and with that flat bottom, so yes, one can go long at 13310, and then on the downside below 13250, you can expect that it may reverse, but only short entry is below 13150. Remember, below 13150 you can expect similar size of drop, that is, it may drop till towards 13,000 levels. So yes, below 13150 we can expect a good drop. Yes, go short at 13250 and be watchful of 13310. Do not trade between 13310 and 250 levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones trading at 32,930 levels. Look at this, it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands, and after this candle, reversal candle, it has shown a strong bullish candle. Also look at this, the resistance there at 33,010 is strong. So yes, you can go long at 32,950. Beyond that, possibly you can expect 33,010 levels to give it a resistance, and then 33,050 it is bullish here. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD white divergent bullish, RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see after this consolidation candle, it has given a similar size of candle here, so it is trying to trade in this. The high is there at 33,010. Only and only if it breaks beyond 33,010 you can stay long. Also you can take a long entry at 32,950 itself. Direction movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD white divergent bullish, RSI near to top. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts here, you can see a stronger tail here, and then you can see once it breaks past 32,950, probably we can see 33,010, 33,020 and 33,050 levels to provide a very strong, very strong resistance there. And if you look at the direction movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD white divergent bullish, it has just crossed over, RSI near to top. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation, trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel are somewhere at 33,000, 33,050 levels. Be cautious till 33,050 levels, it can reverse from there. Direction movement bullish, stochastic is extremely overbought, MACD has just crossed over, it is divergent and it is bullish. And RSI, if you look at the RSI, is looking upwards too. Similarly on the daily charts, you can see now on the daily charts it is trying to get the resistance, it is trying to achieve 33,000 level once probably, and only short entry, comfortable short entry is only once it trades below 32,700, which is a very strong support. Only and only if it drops below 32,700 you should stay short. Direction movement is bullish, stochastic is looking upwards, MACD is in green and RSI is near to top. So yes, beyond 32,950 go long, but be careful of 33,010 and 33,050. In between these levels it can reverse, so it is going to get a very strong resistance at 33,010 and 33,050 levels. It can reverse from these points, and from beyond that, yes, 33,100 is seen, and beyond that you can stay long, and then it is going to fly high. If it is bearish, it has to reverse somewhere here from 33,010, 33,050 levels, remember this, and from there you can take a short entry and you can expect it to drop. Then again 32,700 levels should be very strong support, dropping below which definitely a crash can be expected in Dow Jones. So take your trades accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.